Alright, so in this video we're going to be going over the contour feature inside Cricut Design Space. We're going to show you what it is, and then we're going to go over some of the rules in order to get contour to work properly, because sometimes you'll be banging your head and you're going to wonder why contour isn't working the way you expect. Well, it's because you didn't follow some of these rules, okay? So let's go ahead and show you what contour does. Basically, with this shape here, I got this from Cricut Design Space. And I've already prepped it with the rules in order to use contour, just so we can show you what it does. So contour will basically hide things that you really don't want in the shape. It allows you to, manipulate it as far as the appearance of what gets cut, what doesn't. So you can almost think of it as a show and hide within a shape. So with the shape selected, you'll notice that our contour button is illuminated, and let's go ahead and go into contour mode. So how do you exit contour mode? You go ahead and click anywhere in this white space. Now I did zoom out here, and you may see this as well if you are zoomed out. I'm zoomed out right here to 75%. I'm going to go into contour mode, and if I want to exit contour mode, like I said, I have to click somewhere in the white area. If I click somewhere outside the white area, it does not work. So that's how you enter and exit contour mode. All right, so what I would like to do is I would like to remove these top two art little cutouts on the cup. So let's go into contour and hide those so that when we go and cut, those won't show up. So I'll go to contour. Now I'm in contour mode. Notice the purple cup. Notice when I move my mouse over a shape, it highlights and a darker purple. Now also notice how I hide things. So like I said, I wanted to hide this artwork right here. And when I hover my mouse over it and I click, you notice that it turns a light blue outline. That means that item will be contoured out. It will be hidden when we exit contour mode. Okay, so I don't want this one either. Okay, now say I accidentally clicked this one. Well, I can go ahead and click that one again, and it goes back to being turned on. All right, let's go ahead and exit the contour mode and see what we see. All right, they have disappeared. Well, maybe I really don't like that. Let me go back to the original. Well, we go to contour, and we can click those same little shapes. And now I can click the white area, and now they appear. So that's how you can enter, exit, and how you can hide some of the shapes within, within a shape here. So now we covered what contour does. Let's talk about some of the rules that are associated with it. I'm going to go ahead and scroll on over. So a lot of times when you get an image from Design Space, it may be layered. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this so we can take a look at what's actually on our screen. So look at this right here. So this is basically straight in from Design Space, and you will notice that if I do click the contour button, it is illuminated. I get this error: show hide contour is not available for this image, okay, for a composite image. So how do we get around that? Well, all you have to do is right click and ungroup, and that will fix that. So keep in mind, we do need a single layer in order to utilize contour, and single layer on its own layer here. Okay, so now contour is available, and we can enter and exit as expected. Now, as you can see, you may be banging your head on this. How come I can't exit contour mode? Well, there's our white space, and that's how I exit. All right. Now the other thing, like I said, it needs to be on a single layer, and I can click this, but contour is not available. Well, it's because we have an attached set here. And how do we get rid of attach? Well, you highlight what is attached, and you click detach, okay? And now you are able to contour, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and click this white area. All right, going back to this. Now, the last rule here is welded images, okay? And you are not even able to contour with a welded image. So is there a workaround for this? Yes, there is. And let me show you real quick. And this may be digging into another lesson if you haven't watched it yet, and it's called slice. So basically we need to take a square, and let me go over here and grab it. And what we want to do with this square is unlock it first and drag it over the text, okay, over the welded text. Now with both of those selected, we're just going to go to slice. And once I do that, now we're able to take this red text here, and we can go ahead and delete what we don't want here. And contour will be available for this, as I can click this and I can hollow out that O, hollow out the E, and I can go ahead and exit contour mode. So that's how you can work around those issues. So keep in mind all of those rules, and contour should work for you. And hopefully you can get more familiar with it and use it a lot, because it is a good tool to help you create your own custom designs with Design Space.